Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This beautiful gray AT4 is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Take a quick look at the interior here. Power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating as well. You have your trailer mode, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both available. We do have dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Integrated to the braking system as well. USB ports and an outlet up front. All black interior, dual glove boxes, and our leather heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires. We have the color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. The AT4 Sierra comes with the factory 2-inch lift kit, giving you room for those big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the Sierra AT4, we have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights as well, red tow hook signature for the AT4, a color matched grille. Making our way to the back, LED lights in the mirrors, rear tinted privacy window and blacked out window trim. The AT4 has factory remote start, a color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as LED brake lights and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, solid rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top with extra cutouts for headroom. We have LED lighting over top, USB ports there as well, rubberized floor liners and carpeted inserts installed in the beautiful AT4 Sierra. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.